These are some air conditioners at another apartment complex. Some Garrisons, which I believe is a rebadged Goodman, and an old York. And I believe that these are straight cool units, not heat pumps. Yeah, that's a 2014 2.5 ton. Pretty sure this is a York Stellar. No data sheet. I'd say like late 80s, early 90s, and here's another one of those units. Copeland scroll compressor. And there's some more of these Yorks right here. Not running. These are rather small. This might be like 2 tons. Anyway. Don't know what year. Just being barked at by dogs. Perfect. Some more of these. Oh. This one is probably another, I do not know what brand this thing is. If I can find a nameplate on it. This might be another York, but I'm not sure. There's don't know what year, either 96 or 84. Yeah. And that one just shut off. Just missed it. Here's another here's a good one right here. It's a Copeland scroll. Yeah, it's a Copeland scroll. Another York Stellar, I think. I think it's got a Bristol compressor. I think that might be a Bristol reciprocating. Let's get the data on these, shall we? Serial number 2011 2-ton. There's a tonnage right there. Actually, you don't even need to decipher the model number. Get right into that data sheet. Yeah, that's a 13 SEER Copeland scroll. See if I can find anything else. There's more units around here, I'm sure of it. Can't get too crazy. Got a busy night tonight. We got a ream, or either a ream or a Rudd. I can easily see inside there. Yeah, it's a Copeland or Bristol reciprocating. You know what? I don't know if this is a ream or a Rudd, but I know they're the same thing, so not really that much of a difference. Corsair, yeah, this is a Corsair. June of 2000, 2-ton. Yep. There's a Gibson right there, a Nordyne, and there's 2 Goodmans. See if I can find any more of those old Yorks. There's several of them around here, I'm sure of it. Yeah, I'll get behind there. See if I can find anything else. Up, more Goodmans. I think I see a Janitrol. Date off the Janitrol here. 96, 1.5 ton. Bristol reciprocating compressor. Is this an Armstrong here or? 10 SEER. Gibson. A Goodman. This one looks pretty new. It's 2017. 2.5 ton? Probably. Okay, so But yeah. Well, let's see if I can find anything else. Nope. Yeah, there's another York Stiller over there. Yeah. The train right over there. The Goodman, the Janitrol. A lot of these old units. The Train XB. That compressor's really close to the blade. (2003) 2.5 ton 10-seer. Is that York running? Yes, it is. That one's off. Goodman, York. Alright, well. See if this one has a data sheet. It's pretty faded. Dang. This one's noisy. The air's being discharged out the side. Look at that back top. There's a Nordyne. It's a Copeland scroll, I think. Right, well, okay, we'll get a couple more of these and we'll be done here. Yeah. Oops. There's more back here. Okay. There's a newer one over there. I think that might be a Bryant or an ICP, don't know. Maybe a Payne. Yeah, this might be a Payne. You know what? Yeah, this is not a Payne. I know that data that's like a, I think this might be a Heil. Copeland scroll. 2016. 2-ton R410 refrigerant. Look at the Goodman right here. York Stiller. See if I can find it. There's a data sheet right there. It's so faded. Yeah, these are all straight cool units. Gibson, Goodman, all these old ones. There's another one of those old York Stillers. Golly, all these Yorks have the data sheet faded. That Goodman, that actually might be pretty new. Well, see if I can get the data on these. Okay, if there's nothing back here, then I guess I'll be okay. Yeah, done here in just a second. There's the Goodman right here. I'll get the data sheet on those. I can't tell. That's a 2-ton from 03. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.